Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. To this video, I'm gonna be showing you this Ash and Harry making kit. I'm gonna be making some candles with my boyfriend in my new apartment in North Carolina. I got this through Amazon from company to try it out and tell you guys all about it and everything that they include in this box. It's a pretty big box, so we'll try everything out here. And hope that you guys like this video. If you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. We're gonna open this box, see what we have.
All right.
Beginner's guide to candle making, step-by-step video instruction. If you guys want to check out the video, you can close that for you guys. Ooh, it has essential oils: lavender, tea tree, sandalwood, and rose.
So these are essential oil candles. It's not like the...
Yeah.
Okay.
We need a saucepan, stove, clear workspace, and parchment paper.
Ooh, and
4 bags of wax.
Geez, and natural soy.
100% all natural soy wax flakes. Pretty good.
Oh.
Bunch of essential oils.
All the essential oils.
They have the special containers to put your candle. Oh, and another one.
Wow.
Okay, so it says that we need a saucepan, so we have that one over there. And just to fill it with 1 to 2 inches of water. So if you guys are not sure of how much wax and fragrance oil or wax dye to add, they include a quantity table that you cannot see. There it is. Quantity table, and it has, depending on what kind of container you have, and it has the division for sidewalk, soy wax, fragrance oil, and wax dye. Hope that you guys like it. We can't really show you the final product because it takes 24 to 48 hours to settle or cool down.
Yeah, to get all the way cured and everything, it takes like 24. They say 2 to 4 weeks if you want it completely right, but
if you want to have it like a store-like candle.
we are very impatient, so it'll be 24 to 48 hours.
Yeah. But I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I will link down below in the description box the link for their products so you can check them out. And let me know in the comments if you tried it and if you liked it. You can do it for sleepovers, party, date night, I don't know, so many options. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. Bye guys.
Thanks guys.